Hello, sweetie. Welcome back to Mickey Royer's Kitchen. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome to this family. And shout out to all my viewers and all my subscribers. Today I bring to you something new. I am making assorted beef and sardine jollof. So let's get into it. I will add my oil. This is vegetable oil. I will let it heat up and I will add my salted beef. I'll fry it for about 2 minutes. This is my blended ingredient: green pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, and rosemary. I just added it. Keep on stirring and let it fry. I'll add my tomato paste. I'll mix everything together. Then I will add a little bit of water. Cover and let it steam for about 5 minutes. Then you stir it. Add meat stock if you have some. This is totally optional. If you have meat stock, add it and cover and let it fry again. Stir it one more time. This is my sardine. I'm just adding the sardine and the oil to it. Break the sardine into pieces. You can pour it in a bowl and break it before you add it to the stew, or you can just break it in directly and break it in the stew. After that, you stir it all in. Cover and let it sit for another 2 minutes. Then you remove the cover and stir it again. Add in half cube of Maggi, and I'm adding curry powder, anga stew, or you can use any stew season of your choice. Stir it. I'm adding salt, about half teaspoon of salt, or even keep on stirring. I'll add in my rice. The rice is washed So I'll just add in my rice. Stir it for everything to be combined well. I'm adding salt to it. Because of the rice, you need more salt, but you need to taste before adding more salt to it. I'll add in my water. I'm using 3 cups of rice, so I'll be adding about 3.5 cups of water. Stir it and taste it. Cover and let it, well, later just open it and stir it again, then you cover again and you let it cook on medium heat. Or cover it with rubber. Yes, you get some clean rubber and you cover it with it, and you add your this will help the heat stay in the rice so that it can be ready faster. After 15 minutes, our rice is ready. Then this is my rice. I have my pork meat around it and my pork kebab. This is delicious. This look really delicious and it tastes better than even looks.